Since 1952, Belzona has developed advanced polymeric systems for emergency and permanent repairs and protection systems for all types of HVAC equipment. Virtually every industry has benefited from the scientific advances that Belzona has and continues to develop. These advancements, along with our proven know-how repair techniques, allow our customers to save significant time and money. HVAC maintenance specialists must cost-effectively maintain, clean, and inspect vital equipment that controls the climate in ever more sensitive environments. It's often said that Belzona keeps the wheels of industry turning, so let's take a look at how we keep HVAC systems up and running in a variety of facilities. A misaligned or improperly lubricated fan shaft can cause the entire system to be shut down. Conventional repairs often require shutdown for days. With Belzona, these systems are up and running in no time. Thousands of Belzona customers, large and small, have taken advantage of Belzona know-how to quickly and cost-effectively repair fan shafts using an in-place forming technique along with a Belzona metallic polymer. First, they must be prepared to produce the appropriate surface profile to ensure an effective bond. A Belzona cleaner degreaser should then be used to remove surface contaminants. A forming device is then used with the inside diameter corresponding to the outside diameter of the shaft. After applying release agent to this former, the Belzona metallic polymer is mixed and applied in liberal amounts to the shaft as well as the former. Both halves are brought together and clamped, making sure the excess is squeezed out. After the appropriate cure time, usually no more than 1 to 1.5 hours at ambient temperature, the former is removed. Then the parting surfaces are dressed down to achieve concentricity. Once the bearing assembly is aligned and tightened down, the system's benefits can be enjoyed once again. Belzona prevents the mechanisms of corrosion inside the chiller unit from the ravaging effects of treated water. If left unprotected, the cost of retrofitting or replacing the old unit will deeply impact, or in some cases wipe out, the maintenance budget for the entire year. During annual inspection and servicing, the end covers on chillers should be removed for general inspection and testing for leaks. This is an excellent time to undertake a Belzona protective coating system. For decades, major manufacturers of chillers like Trane, Carrier, and York have been rebuilding and coating tube sheets with Belzona. More and more of these major manufacturers' customers want the long-term protection and minimal downtime afforded with Belzona and specify our polymers for their equipment. The Belzona solution is easy. Once the tubes are dry, corks are inserted before surface preparation to a suitable cleanliness and profile. A paste-grade Belzona metallic polymer is then used to rebuild the tube sheet profile to its original dimensions. The removal of surface irregularities will increase flow characteristics and the efficiency of heat transfer. Using a stiff bristled brush or roller, the Belzona protective coating is applied to the sheet, while ensuring that the tube's profile can be seen through the coating thickness. Once the Belzona material is cured, each tube end is simply punched through and honed with a grinding stone to remove the excess Belzona material. This completely rebuilt tube sheet face is ready to run at peak efficiency for years of uninterrupted service. Thousands of customers around the world depend on Belzona for reliable operation of their tube sheets. Even water box division bars and flange face sealing areas can be completely rebuilt with Belzona. And by using our state-of-the-art polymers, the problems associated with conventional welding and machining techniques are a thing of the past. And in fact, since the end covers now seat perfectly with the division bars, the multi-pass system will not leak, increasing overall efficiency of the unit. Now, let's take a look at the cooling towers and the mechanical and structural components that are under attack from water treatment chemicals and high humidity. High-performance polymers offer a highly effective way to control corrosion. Just look at this example of Belzona know-how in action, solving cooling tower corrosion. Once the liquid is removed from the tower basin, the results of galvanized sheet metal corrosion become clear. Venting prior to blasting keeps all the aggregate contained and helps maintain the proper coating environment. All blasting aggregate is then removed and a final cleaning and degreasing is performed before the application of the Belzona polymer. Pits, holes, and other surface irregularities should be filled with a paste-grade Belzona metallic polymer. The Belzona material is applied in a two-coat system in which the cooling tower surface will be completely encapsulated with a flexible monolithic barrier that will provide years and years of uninterrupted service. Similar Belzona application procedures are often used to solve the problems with hot decks and diffuser trays. Here, the expansion joints of this cold water basin were leaking excessive cooling water, escalating operating costs. The failing joint material was replaced with a high-build, paste-grade Belzona elastomer that will provide a long-term solution to this common problem. These welded and riveted seams have corroded away, leaving behind only skeletal remnants of the cooling tower joint. The Belzona application was completed by the customer's in-house maintenance staff, under the supervision of the Belzona consultant. These galvanized materials fail to provide adequate protection from the effects of corrosion. Belzona made available a cost-effective solution with a conventionally applied immersion-grade polymer. These high-humidity environments often corrode louver support guides. With Belzona, the repair is done quickly and efficiently with minimal downtime. Local consultants often encounter problems with coatings that have become brittle, permeable, and have poor adhesion. They're trained to recognize this and offer a cost-effective and time-saving solution. Concrete cold water basins suffer from excessive expansion, cracking, and the chalky appearance spells disaster. A high-performance barrier coating will allow concrete structures to provide long-term service by ensuring against porosity and chemical attack. This rooftop unit comes in contact with drift spray and corrodes, leaking through the insulation below. Notice how effective a Belzona coating can be in this type of situation. Belzona also offers a cost-effective alternative to spending time and money painting or even replacing corroded water distribution piping. This system has been proven effective even under the most aggressive outdoor environments. And finally, if your drift eliminators are not functioning properly, damage to the leading edges of these blades will reduce the overall efficiency and operation of the cooling system. Belzona has been involved with many of these repairs and has saved customers money and time by being able to do these without costly teardown. And let's not forget, Belzona offers a complete line of high-performance roof repair materials that are ideal for both large and small areas and total encapsulation. Now more than ever, every budgetary item counts, no matter the size or complexity of the system. The operation and maintenance of HVAC equipment has a direct impact on the bottom line. So, when you think about tackling maintenance issues, look to your Belzona consultant for cost and time-saving solutions.